Hello everybody, this is a Lamley preview. A chance for me to show you something that is coming out very soon, December 7th to be exact, on Amazon.com. Now you might be looking at these models here in the foreground and say, but John, those are not preview models. Those are the 5 Hot Wheels Pop Culture Alex Ross models, which you've seen in stores before, and you have. And that's kind of what I'm showing you today. But it is something very new, very unique, and coming out December 7th. And it's inside of this box. Mattel sent this to me to preview for you. And like I said, it will be available at Amazon. These Alex Ross models are very, very cool. Pop culture is just that. It's something, it's Hot Wheels Pop Culture. It's a chance for them to show art from movies, from everything else. And this particular set with Alex Ross is special because Alex Ross and his art is very, very special. Renowned comic book cover art of Alex Ross. And when you think about that, having the models is cool because Alex Ross's art is on these models, but it's the art. That's why pop culture is not just about the models, but about the card art as well. So we've gone a step further than just the set you can find in store and done this Amazon exclusive bundle. Should we take a look at it? Let's take a look at it. This is what the box looks like. That's how it will be shipped. This is a nice thick box. And this is the set. How beautiful is that? When you look at this Alex Ross art that he's done work for Marvel and for DC. This one is done for DC. You can see why doing a box set is very, very special. Now let's move these models out of the way. And let's just take a look at the set itself. Hot Wheels 50th Anniversary, limited edition 5-car premium set. There's DC, Alex Ross's signature. And there is, it's like the Super Friends, isn't it? Essentially. You can see the detail in the art is why a lot of times his art is just cover art. You can see some of these other details here. These are actually different depictions of the artist. Green Lantern, it's different, right? I guess Flash, we don't have a Flash one. But when you open up the set, you get that 5-car set. Now, some of you might say, John, like you, I just collect the models. And I get it, but there are exceptions to the rule. Just like with the card art for Hot Wheels Car Culture, like I have this bundle right here. It's not only the models that are cool, but the art as well. So when I can, I try and get both sets, one to open and one to keep carded because the art is so fantastic. And that's what pop culture is all about, because check out this art. Now I'm going to try and go in order, and I'll show you the models as well, but this one is really about the card art. And like I said, maybe you bought a set at the store, but now you can buy a set to keep packaged like this because the art is so fantastic. So this is something that Hot Wheels wants to do with certain sets. One of the reasons to buy this is to compel Amazon and others to do more sets. I could see like a 4 as a set. We've seen 2 of those already for as Toys R Us exclusives. I'd love to see more car culture bundles. Anyway, that's my own thought. It'd be cool to see more of these sets. All right, number 1. There is the art on the card. It is the Volkswagen T1 panel. Like I said, you've probably seen these models in store. Here's a chance to check them out a little bit more. Yes, the art is different on the other side. That's why maybe you want to have 2. Go ahead and buy this set on Amazon. Get it with free shipping, too. I think it does come with free shipping. Volkswagen T1 panel is always a popular model. I love the white wall tires on this one. Number 2 is Holland Gas. Yeah, see, the model's okay. The art's cool. But how about the artwork? Superman is rad, and that image of Superman is as cool. I was a big Superman fan as a kid, and that's pretty much how I remember Clark Kent turning into Superman. So that one is cool as well. Look up Alex Ross if you're not familiar. A lot of you are. If you're into comics, you know who Alex Ross is. He's essentially worshipped by a lot of artists, and you know why. This is number 3, custom 77 Dodge van. Again, model's cool. Art is awesome. Love the bat on the back. But Batman on the art is even cooler. Number 4 is the 67 minivan. Cool little Wonder Woman mobile. I like how she's peeking out the back. But again, These are, for someone who DLMs almost everything and opens everything, this is just something that I'm just going to say, no, I'm not going to do it. Now, if this was like a Nissan Skyline, maybe I'd argue that point, but not. That's why I'd buy more. But no, I'm keeping one of these carded because these are what they are. They're works of art. And last but not least, number 5 is another very popular model, the 66 Dodge A100 for Green Lantern. Cool, right? So this set is very, very cool. You get this special packaging, which I think is awesome. If it's not your thing, it's not your thing. But I think if you are into pop culture, this is a fantastic way to get the Alex Ross set. Go buy a set at the store and open it up, and then get this one at Amazon and keep it like this. Beautifully displayed. All right, guys. Thanks, Mattel, for sending this. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you're going to buy one. You can pre-order it now at the link below. And then I think it ships on December 7th. Thanks, everybody. Bye.